Most reps get to the end of the presentation and have no idea where the homeowner actually stands. So they give price, and the homeowner says that they need to think about it. And now the rep is stuck standing in the driveway, wondering what just happened. And the trial close is something that can typically fix that. It is one of the most important tools in the sales conversation that most reps either avoid or completely use it in the wrong way. Today, we're gonna break down the whole thing, what it is, why reps are afraid of it, and exactly how to use it so that you never walk out of a home guessing again. So what is a trial close? Ultimately, a trial close, as you can see, it gives us the opportunity to funnel every decision down to money. If we can funnel this down to money, the close is so much easier. But if we don't, if we try to avoid the trial close, what's gonna happen is you have no idea why they're giving you an objection. And they're gonna give you some random objections, but everything is easier if you can funnel things down to money. Why do we do it? It's so that we can funnel it down to money. When it comes to giving the trial close, this is the easiest trial close you can go with, other than the money. Some of you have been taught other than price and affordability. And if anybody's ever been sold before, that's something that they've heard before. I want to be very, very broad and say, other than the money, is there any other reason we can't get you on the production calendar while I'm here? While I'm here, instead of the word today. If you use the word today, it's fight or flight. So we're gonna use while I'm here. Again, when we talk about the production calendar, it's not about being sold. It's about just getting the job done. Is there any other reason why we can't just get the job done while I'm here? Is really kind of what you're telling that homeowner. It's a much softer way. And remember, this is not closing the job. This is selling the next step. I'm going into the close and I get the opportunity to sell the next step. Why is it that most reps avoid this? It's because they don't want to hear the answer. They don't want to get through this and find out, oh, no, we've got 3 other people coming out. The sales rep doesn't want to hear this. They're so scared. They will do anything and they'll come up with all the dumb excuses as to why they won't use it. And they're going to tell you, oh, that's just old. No, it's because you're scared. That's all. That's the only reason why you wouldn't use it. What happens when you skip it? Well, what's gonna happen if you don't do this is when they start to come up with any type of resistance, any type of objection, now you have no idea why they're actually telling it to you. You have no idea if it's a canned objection. You have no idea if they really mean the objection. That's why we do this. We're gonna kind of put our toe in the water and find out what's going on. But also, a lot of reps that go through this and they are told that, oh, no, I'm not doing anything today, they take that as gospel. For me, I'm just trying to figure, I'm kind of feeling the homeowner out. When they say, well, other than the money, yeah, we just want to make sure that this is something that's affordable. And I haven't even given them a price yet. Makes the close so much easier, folks. But people skip it because they're afraid of it. The language and trigger words to avoid is the word today. Saying, is there any reason why you wouldn't want to buy today? I'm not asking them to buy anything. I just want to know, do they want to get put on the production calendar? That's it. And then how to respond based on the answer you get. You don't. If they said, oh, no, come on. Like I told you, I got 3 other estimates. Everything is no problem. No problem. This is not the time to come up with rebuttals to an objection. Because whatever objection they give you here, you still haven't given price. There's no reason to rebuttal an objection that you haven't even given price on. And then closing every door before you give that price. You go through this and say, hey, like I said, you're gonna have to give us some time to think about it. Absolutely, we're gonna give you all the time you need. You agree with them. You're going to concede. If you start an argument here, you might as well leave before you ever give price. The trial close will work if you give it correctly. So let's recap. First, why we do it is we're gonna funnel down to money. And the second thing is simply what to say. Don't make this any harder than it needs to be. It's not hard at all. It's one simple sentence that is nothing more than an easy question, and you really don't care what the answer is. I'm gonna bring my tone way down. Now, if you wanna understand tonality, we did a video on tonality. Go ahead and look that up, and you'll understand what I mean when I'm telling you to go into your compassionate tone. We're gonna go low and slow when we get this. So, Bob and Mary, so other than the money, is there any other reason why we couldn't get you on the production calendar while I'm here? Again, when they say, well, I mean, other than the money, no, okay, great. So now I know that the only reason why they wouldn't go ahead and get it taken care of while I'm there, while I'm sitting in that chair, is because of the money. And one thing that I'm really good at is making things affordable. We're gonna go back into this and we're gonna talk about this later. We're talking about closing, but remember this, is that if you just make it easy enough, they'll buy anything. And if you just ask them the question, you understand where you stand. But if they come back to you and like, oh, no, we're not doing anything today. I told you we got 3 other estimates, or just so you know, I mean, you're gonna need to give us some time. No problem, absolutely. And we're gonna give you all the time that you need. In the back of my mind, I'm saying all the time you need, as long as it's while I'm here. That's the way that I'm thinking in the back of my mind. This is very easy, don't make it hard. Now, if you've ever used the trial close, go ahead, comment below. Let me know how it worked. Let me know what your trial close is. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and share the video with your entire team. A majority of you probably have not subscribed to the channel yet. And we keep dropping more and more content each week. So please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and we can't wait to see you next week.